Each week, the price of a $10,000 boat will be reduced 5% of the previous week's price. If we assume that it is not sold, what will the price be after 10 weeks? So on the board, I've written down what this situation looks like. Week 1, it's $10,000. In week 2, since it's reduced 5%, that means it's worth 95% of what it was. So that's 0.95 times 10,000. And in week number 3, it would be 0.95 of week number 2. So that's 0.95 squared times 10,000. We want to know after 10 weeks what the value will be. So first, recognize that this is a geometric sequence where a sub 1 is equal to 10,000 and r is equal to 0.95. In this particular case, n is going to be 11 because we want to know after 10 weeks. That would be the 11th term then. So we have a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to the n minus 1 as our general formula for a geometric sequence. We're interested in a sub 11. That would be equal to 10,000 times 0.95 raised to the 11 minus 1. That's a sub 11 is equal to 10,000 times 0.95 raised to the 10th power. We substitute those values into our calculator, and we would find that a sub 11 is equal to 5,987.37. And that means that after 10 weeks, the value of the boat will be $5,987.37.